Hey, Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So here I have two original Vespa windshields. So on my right here is a Primavera with an accessory style windshield, and on the left is an LXV or something like a GTV that comes with a factory fly screen. You can see the rods are kind of welded into the handlebars. And today I'm going to show you some of the hardware that is available for replacement on these windshields. Pretty hard to find on the parts diagram sometimes. The most common item that we sell are these plastic buttons. And they're the small ones on this Primavera. And many of the other windscreens, you either use a small one or you have the larger size button. It's either used on the very tall windscreens, say you have one of the very tall windscreens on a GTS or any of the models, or one of the LXVs or the GTVs. So those buttons are available as spare parts. If you're looking for the large button, I would say it's about a little over an inch, inch and a quarter. Part number is 562366 for the replacement chrome button. They're plastic chrome, so if you over tighten the screw, they will crack. If you're looking for the smaller button, part number is 599620, and these are the replacement small buttons. You see there's a little bit of corrosion on these, so maybe that's a reason you want to replace those buttons. There's one unique button that's also a small button that's found on the new 2024 and later Vespa GTV, because they went to black hardware, and that's 1B011220. Technically I could put the black ones on this. They're identical in physical size, it's just they're black in appearance. One of the other items that's available is this metal bushing that's behind this plastic bushing, whether it's on the LXV or the GTV or any of the large windscreens. The plastic bushing and the rubber part aren't available as a spare, but you can get the metal bushing back here, and that's 269781 is the metal bushing, and that's what the screw threads into. Screws aren't listed as a replaceable spare part, but they are a standardized like metric screw. So most of the standard Vespa windshields, they use these expansion plugs. You can watch my previous video on how to remove the windscreen. I show this expansion plug. They're made out of plastic, and if they're over tightened, sometimes they will break. This is available as a spare part, and this is what holds the windshield tight. And you can see the part number is 65604 for the replacement plastic expansion plug. And the last resort for hardware available for your windscreen is the complete hardware kit. Keep in mind, every model has a different set of goalposts or rods. But if you just need all the hardware, expansion plugs, and the small washers, there is one kit available. It's originally for the Vespa LX, and that's 602925M, and it kind of includes all the hardware. Of course, you're going to have to reuse your goalposts because they're not always available as a spare part, but it does include all these little pieces, the rubber bushings and such. Usually at that point, you might just want to just get a whole new windshield. The Vespa windshields, yeah, they're definitely the premium quality. The hardware looks nice. This is nicely shaped. But if you're looking for a more budget-oriented windshield, I would look at the Faco and competing options, and we have them available for pretty much all the different models of Vespa scooters. All right, well, thanks for watching. Robot here from Vespa Motorsport, ScooterWest.com. We'll see you on the next one.